Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make omelet ka achar. Start by gathering 3 eggs, 2 tablespoons mustard oil, 1 tablespoon vinegar, 1 tsp salt and spices. Boil and peel eggs, then fry gently until lightly golden. Prepare a spice mix with red chili, turmeric, fennel, and mustard seeds, and toast briefly. Combine eggs with hot oil and spices, then pack into a clean jar and let flavors meld for a day before serving. Start by boiling eggs for 9 minutes until fully set, then cool and peel them carefully. Heat 2 tablespoons mustard oil until smoking point, then reduce heat and fry eggs lightly to get golden edges without bursting. In the same oil, toast 1 tsp mustard seeds, 1 tsp fennel, and 1 tablespoon crushed red chili briefly. Then mix with 1 tsp turmeric and 1 tablespoon vinegar to form a tangy spice paste to coat the eggs. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit subscribe and like so I can keep sharing kitchen tips. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your ride smelling crisp between grocery runs and market trips. I use it myself after picking up spices and eggs. It's a small joy that makes cooking outings nicer. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Place fried eggs into a sterilized jar and press gently to avoid cracking. Pour the hot spice and oil mixture over eggs until completely submerged, ensuring no air pockets remain. Seal the jar and let it sit at room temperature for 1 day to let flavors marry, then transfer to the fridge to slow fermentation. Always use a clean spoon when serving to keep the achar fresh and safe for the next meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.